Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. In this video lecture, I am showing you how to instant or invest or deposit to activate any package plan in SOLMAX Global Company. Instant deposit means at the same time your package plan will be activated. You don't wait for activation. You don't need to message to the company or to tell admin to activate your package plan. Instant deposit means or instant invest means at the same time your package plan will be activated using perfect money, using your Bitcoin wallet, bank account, using and so on. Which method you want to invest or deposit to activate your package plan. Minimum deposit 25 pound equal to $34. Note, during depositing, click shop for investment. You must select 3 options. Your package plan like Smart, Rocky or Basic, etc. Different packages plan. Minimum package plan start 25 and that package plan name is Smart. In this way, other package plans you will see when click shop. Okay, after clicking shop, then you will show packages. Then click packages. Then after that, all packages you can easily show and see. Already checked, stay same. I want to receive promotional IGNITE with my educational package plan. This option already checked. You don't uncheck this. Leave as it is. Select this option. Receive daily 1% promotional IGNITE. And this option you must select. I have already told you in previous video lectures. You can see why I am selecting this option and why I have leave it's checked. Now see practical demonstration how to activate your package plan. am showing you how to invest or deposit in SOLMAX company and to activate your any package plan. Okay, I am activating my referral account. Okay, username is this and password, and for verify captcha. Okay, click here to log in. As we will see here, it's package plan none. It means that no any package plan. Now I am activating on this account a package plan. For activation, just click here to shop. Okay, after clicking here to shop, you can see different options. Okay, I have already told you what is gift code in previous video lecture. Now I am activating this package plan using this method, packages. Click here to packages, directly deposit from perfect money. Here is many packages, as you will see here. Okay, many packages here: smart, rocky, basic. In this case, I am activating this $50 pound rocky. Click here. Okay, activating this package. Click here to USD. As you will see here, 70 USD and equal to 50 pounds. Okay, I have already told you in previous lectures what is the meaning of this. Okay, you will see my previous lectures. Okay, leave it is as it is, leave it checked. Okay, and select this option. This is short term daily 1% profit, and this is long term. Don't select this option. Okay, when you are depositing, select this option, daily 1% short term, and select your package plan. After that, click here to next. Okay, now which payment method you want to use and activate this package plan? There are many payment methods. In this case, I am using perfect money. Okay, you can also use your Bitcoin, Ethereum, for etc. Okay, and you can also use gift code number, but in this case I am using perfect money. Click here to perfect money. Okay, please click below button to pay using your perfect money. Package price, reference number, promotional high 100 daily. Okay, click here to check out. Okay, as you will see here, it will $71. Okay, because some changes into this rights. Why? Because pounds swiping charges also included. Okay, turning image. Click here to preview. With fee 72.41. Okay, 1.99% fee. Okay, with perfect money fee 72.41. My account balance is $118. Click here to confirm. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Click here to continue. Your purchase transaction has been completed. successful. Okay, now click here to log in again. Okay, click here to log in again. As you will see here, package plan has been activated. This package plan is what? Rocky. Okay, now transaction, click here to transaction. Okay, this is your invoice number of payment approved. Okay, it's instant deposit. Instant means there is no time, at the same time activated. You don't wait to activating your for the activation of your account. At the same time your package plan has been activated. Okay, your invoice number 50 pound, and here is your invoice number. This is you have proof of investment or deposit. In this way you can activate your package plan. Okay, I hope you will understand how to deposit or invest to activate your package plan in SOLMAX Global Company. Thanks. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. Direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and see both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level, and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals. If you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. Okay, you can join with my team using following links for further company details and queries. If you have any confusions about online investments or any discussions, further queries, and you can also join our team using these WhatsApp groups. These WhatsApp groups you will find into the description of this video. Okay, if you have any confusions or queries about investments, then contact me following contact number and addresses. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp groups, Telegram ID, Skype, and so on. You can follow us and for further queries using following links. Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Join and for further queries. Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and VK profile. This is my username for all social networks. Mprogs Tech, Mohammed Programmers Technology, Mprogs Tech. Join and for further queries or discussions. You can learn, then you can earn. First, you must first learn. Okay, learning is important, mandatory for earning. Some people are trying to earn without learning, then they will lose their money and they will not succeed because they start without learning. Okay, learning is mandatory and learning is important. You can learn, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced investment tutorials. You must keep in your mind, you can learn first, then you can earn. To watch all basic to advanced online investments tutorials. This is my YouTube channel name, Mohammed Programmers Technology. This is my YouTube channel link. This link you will find into the description of this video. All links you will find. My blogger website. We will be waiting for feedbacks, comments and suggestions to improve our services. Best of luck.